It's not your starter. Seriously, stop replacing starters. If your John Deere 1025R 3D32E or 5055E won't start after sitting, don't waste $1,000 on the wrong part. When these tractors sit, the battery drops below 12.4, fuel drains back, air gets in the line, or your ground wire loosens up. It's usually not the starter. Check voltage first. Prime the fuel, clean the ground, test first, spend later. This could save you thousands of dollars. If you own a John Deere tractor, subscribe. I help you fix it before the dealer empties your wallet.